guys, welcome back. So a lot of you requested a detailed highlight and contour video, so that's what I'll be focusing on. So I won't be wearing any foundation. I'll just be strictly focusing on how to highlight and contour. So basically we're going to prime our skin and get straight into the video. So first I'm going to go in with the True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm also going to use my LA Girl Concealer in Coffee. These are the two products that I'll be using. So contouring is basically enhancing your facial structure, bringing light to the area that is your natural light always glow, and enhancing the shadows of your face. So that's what we're going to do here. So you're going to see where I take the LA Girl Concealer, and we're going to highlight under our eyes or cupid's bow or chin or nose and our forehead. This is where your natural light of your skin falls. So we're enhancing these features. I'm also going to take the contour shade, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and we're going to enhance that cheekbone. We also use it to define your cheekbone. Guys, why go and get a facelift when you can even do it yourself? So basically, that's what we're doing. We're just highlighting and contouring those areas of our face. Okay, so once we're complete, we're going to take our beauty blender. You can use a beauty blender or a makeup brush, preferably a powder brush, and you can use it to blend your concealer. What you'll see me doing in the clip coming up, we're going to see where I'm going to blend the concealer first, and then I'll blend the contour shade. So what this does is it allows everything to flow into one and have an even look. So instead of where you can show exactly where the concealer stops and where the contour starts, when you blend it all, look just like what I'm doing here, you see it has more of a defined look, or a crisp look if you want to see. So that's basically what we're going to do now, just strictly blending. So enough of my voice, and just enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys later, and lots of love.